Hello Vivekians, how are you all? I hope you all are staying safe at your homes. Welcome to School from Home. Today your Neha ma'am will teach you English chapter 2, that is Double Muddle. In this story we have got to know about two identical twins who look like exactly the same, and both of them loved eating Amma's crispy dosas. They were happy when Amma returned home after 1 week because in her absence, Appa only used to feed them dal rice, curd rice, and bananas. Vasu and Prabhu were returning from school. Prabhu stopped to chat with friends, but Vasu rushed to home. He washed his hands and ate 5 dosas. When he asked for more dosas, Amma said there are only 5 dosas left for Prabhu. Then Prabhu returned home and went to wash his hands. Meanwhile, Vasu tricks his mamma and sat on the dining table again and enjoyed the 5 more dosas. Suddenly, Prabhu called his Amma and asked for his dosas. Amma said, "You just ate 5 dosas and there is no more batter left." Prabhu said, "I have not eaten any dosa." Amma realized that Vasu has eaten 10 dosas. She called Vasu angrily. Vasu said, "Thanks for 10 crispy dosas, Amma." But Prabhu was sad and hungry, so Amma gave him curd and rice to eat. She mistook Vasu for Prabhu and angrily cried, "Oh, I'm fed up of this double muddle." So this was the story of Double Muddle. Now let us recall what we have learnt till now. Worksheets 1, 2 and 3 were given to you for comprehension practice. We have covered Let's Try 1 and 3 in comprehensive worksheet. We have done Let's Try 2 in our notebook. After that, we have learnt phonics, sounds of Y, and practiced in Let's Try 4 and 5. Then we have learnt about one and many and practiced in Let's Try 6 and 7. And in the previous video, we have learnt naming words and practiced in Let's Try 8, 9 and 10. Today, we are going to start with think and share. First of all, write down today's date on the top. Identical twins just look like each other. Do you think they think and behave like each other also? No, they just look like each other, but the behavior and like-dislikes vary. Identical twins सिर्फ दिखने में एक जैसे होते हैं, बट उनका बिहेवियर और उनकी पसंद नापसंद अलग-अलग हो सकती हैं. Now we will do think and write. Writing a dialogue. Come to Let's Try 11. Imagine what the twins are saying to each other and write in the dialogue boxes. So let's imagine twin 1 is saying, "Let us try to fool mother." Now you have to write the second dialogue. Just think and write what will twin 2 reply. Now come to Let's Connect. Students, you have to follow the given instructions to make a twin image. You are going to enjoy this activity. Now come to We Care. Although identical twins look alike, they are two different people. They may behave differently, sound differently, and have different hairstyles. We must take time to observe these differences to tell them apart and treat them as a separate person. Students, as we have discussed earlier, identical twins just look like each other, but they can have different likes and dislikes. In this story also, Vasu was fond of comics and Prabhu liked to play cricket. Kids, you have to do My Turn 9 and 10 in practice book. If you don't have book or fair notebook, maintain your work in any notebook which is available at your home. Image of each and every page is being provided to you. Do your work neatly and according to the pattern. That's all for today. We will meet soon. Till then, bye bye.